Hello everyone. Today I am going to take you on a trip to a very beautiful place in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh, which is Manikaran and Kasol. We started our journey from Delhi, where we boarded a Volvo bus to go to Bhuntar, near the city of Kullu. This will be an overnight journey of about 12 hours to reach Bhuntar. Then from Bhuntar, we will have to take another bus to go to Manikaran via Kasol. We will be going via Sonipat, Panipat, Karnal, Kurukshetra, Ambala, Chandigarh, Ropad, Bilaspur, Sundarnagar, Neer Chowk, Mandi, Pando, and Ots. This was the bus which we boarded from Delhi, and after crossing Mandi during morning hours, we stopped for some snacks and tea. After boarding another bus from Bhuntar to Manikaran, we are accompanied by the river Parvati on our entire 35-kilometer journey till Manikaran Sahib, which takes about 1.5 hours, and the views in this journey are no less than heaven. This small town attracts tourists visiting Manali and Kullu to its hot springs and pilgrim centers. An experimental geothermal energy plant has also been set up here. We went there during the monsoon season, and thus Parvati River was flowing till its full capacity. In fact, Parvati Valley was beautifully decorated by green surroundings of pine and deodar forests, and it was drizzling almost the entire time we stayed there. During this season, many waterfalls get active, and the water from these falls merge with Parvati River. We also saw a small section of cliffhanger on our way to Manikaran. Manikaran is well connected via road to all major towns like Delhi, Chandigarh, Shimla, and Manali. One can come by air also. The nearest airport is in Bhuntar, which is 35 kilometers from here. This is the view from our hotel room in Manikaran, which was just amazing, in front of River Parvati. Kasol is just 4 kilometers short of Manikaran, and people can stay in either of these places, and there is no shortage of hotels, guest houses, and homestays in these areas. Manikaran is a pilgrimage center for Hindus and Sikhs. It has many temples and a Gurdwara. There are temples of Hindu deities Ram, Krishna, and Vishnu. The area is well known for its hot springs and its beautiful landscape. According to legend, when the Hindu god Shiva and his consort Parvati were walking in the valley, Parvati dropped one of her earrings. The jewel was seized by Shesh, the serpent deity, who then disappeared into the earth with it. Shesh only surrendered the jewel when the Shiva performed the cosmic dance, the Tandav, and shot the jewel up through the water. This is the famous Manikaran Gurdwara, which is an important religious destination for Sikhs. Mentioned in the 12th Guru Khalsa, the Gurdwara has three legendary hot springs. It is believed that the water in these hot springs has the ability to cure the most complex of diseases. Then we went on to a small trek of 3 kilometers to Chalal village in Kasol. This trek is one of the most beautiful treks beside the river Parvati, and you will surely enjoy it. Next day, after checking out from our hotel, we left Manikaran and headed towards our next destination, which was in the Lahaul Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh, and I'll show you that in my next video. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for your time.